Everyone's talking about the cool new stuff on the all-new Galaxy 24 phones these days, especially comparing them to the iPhone. But let's focus on something different, the AI features of the Samsung Galaxy S24. What about these new AI tools? How are they different from the apps we usually use? Well, look at how these AI features work, how they might change the smartphone industry, and if they're really as exciting as everyone says. So, let's get right into it. AI-driven communication tools. The Galaxy S24 is introducing some smart AI features that make talking and messaging with the phone more exciting and useful. First, there's Live Translate for calls, a tool that can translate what you and the other person is saying in real time. This is great for talking to people who speak different languages, making it easier to chat with friends or family abroad, or even for business calls with people in other countries. The S24 also has Chat Assist in its keyboard. This feature uses AI to help you write messages that sound just right, whether you're sending a quick text to a friend or a more formal email for work. This tool can suggest changes to make sure your message comes across the way you want it to. When we compare these features to separate apps that you might download for translating or messaging, the Galaxy S24's built-in tools have a big advantage. They're right there in the phone, so you don't have to switch between different apps to get these cool features. This makes using the phone smoother and saves time, especially when you're in a hurry or doing many things at once. AI in photography and video. The Galaxy S24 is bringing some amazing AI tools to photography and video too, making it easier and more fun to capture great moments. The Generative Edit feature in the Samsung Gallery is a big step forward in photo editing. With this, the phone can automatically fix parts of your pictures, like filling in gaps or straightening crooked images. It's like having a smart assistant that knows just how to make your photos look their best. Then there's Instant Slow-Mo, a feature that lets you slow down parts of your videos just by tapping and holding. This is perfect for capturing fast action like sports or pets running around, and seeing all the incredible details that you might miss at normal speed. This AI-powered feature turns ordinary videos into something really special and professional looking. It's a big step up in making creative photography and video editing easier for everyone. AI for enhanced productivity. The S24 series is not about fun only, it's also a big help when you need to get things done. The phone comes with tools like Transcript and Note Assist, which are perfect for people who take lots of notes, whether it's at school, work, or meetings. This feature can quickly summarize long articles or notes, making it easier to get the important points without reading everything. It's like having a smart helper who can pick out the key information for you. These tools are much more convenient than separate apps because they're built right into the phone. This means you can use them anytime, without the need to open different apps. It's a smoother, faster way to handle your tasks, especially when you're busy and need to multitask. AI in search and discovery. The new Galaxy series is also changing how we search and discover things around us. With Circle to Search, you can find information about almost anything on your screen. Just circle something with your finger and the phone will search for it. This is great for quickly looking up things like landmarks, products, or even strange words you come across. This feature is developed in collaboration with Google. This gesture-driven search tool allows users to perform searches effortlessly by circling, highlighting, scribbling, or tapping on any element of the screen with simple action, such as holding down the home button. By partnering with Google, Galaxy provides its users with a powerful and user-friendly tool. This feature opens up a whole new dimension of discovery on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, enabling users to instantly access valuable search results through intuitive gestures. This feature is a big deal because it makes searching so much easier and more natural. Instead of typing or speaking your queries, you can just point at what you're curious about. It's faster and more intuitive than traditional searching, and it's another example of how the Galaxy S24 is using AI to make life a bit easier and more interesting. The impact of AI on the mobile industry. The Galaxy S24 is making a big splash in the mobile world with its AI features. These new tools are changing the way smartphones work. For example, having a translator writing your phone calls or a keyboard that helps you write better messages is pretty cool and useful. This shows that smartphones are becoming more than just devices for calls and apps. They're turning into smart helpers that can think and assist in different ways. This change will likely push the other phone companies to add more AI to their smartphones. Everyone will be looking at how well these features work and how people like them. If they're a hit, other brands might start doing similar things, and we could see a whole new kind of smartphone on the market. The Galaxy S24's AI is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon chips, which are really good at handling AI stuff. This means the phone can do a lot of smart things without needing help from the internet. This is a big deal because it makes the phone faster and more reliable, especially when you're not connected to Wi-Fi. The hype versus reality of Samsung's AI innovations. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Series is surrounded by a lot of excitement, especially about its AI features. But is all this hype really worth it? The phone's AI tools like Live Translate for calls, Chat Assist, and Generative Edit are getting a lot of attention. These features sound great on paper, translating calls in real time, helping you write better messages, and even fixing your photos with smart editing. It's like having a mini helper in your phone. But how do these features work in real life? That's the big question. Are they easy to use? Do they make a big difference in how you use your phone? For example, Live Translate for calls could be a huge help for people who talk to others in different languages, but it needs to work well enough to actually understand and translate correctly. If it does, it could change the way we connect with people around the world. Then there's Chat Assist. If it can really understand the tone of your messages and help you communicate better, that's pretty impressive. But it needs to be smart enough to get the context right. And Generative Edit, if it can make your photos look better without making them look fake, that would be amazing for everyone who loves taking pictures. Privacy, security, and ethical considerations. Now let's talk about something which is very important to all of you: your privacy. Samsung is taking privacy and security seriously, especially with all the new AI features. The phone uses Samsung Knox, a really strong security system to keep all your information safe. This means the phone is well guarded against sneaky attempts to get your data. It's like having a super secure lock on all your personal stuff. However, even with these security measures, there's always the question about how much data AI features collect and use. Samsung gives users control over their data with advanced intelligence settings, allowing you to choose how much of your data is used for AI features. This choice is great, but it also means you need to be aware and actively manage these settings to maintain your privacy. What's cool is that you get to control how much the AI features use your data. There are settings called Advanced Intelligence that let you decide if you want to use online data for AI or keep things more private. This way, you're in charge of your privacy. Samsung is also thinking ahead with things like passkey. Passkeys are like super secure passwords that help you safely get into your apps and websites on all of your devices. They're great for stopping those tricky phishing attacks where someone tries to steal your info. Plus, when you back up or sync your data with Samsung Cloud, it's all encrypted. This means it's turned into a secret code that only your devices can read. So if something goes wrong on a server or someone gets your account details, your data stays safe. Losing access to your device isn't a big worry either. If that happens, there's a special recovery code that stops you from losing your data. Samsung's got a bunch of other security features too, like Knox Vault, Security and Privacy Dashboard, and more, all working together to keep your phone and your information super secure. So what do you think? Are these AI tools changing the game for smartphones? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.